Types of DNA recombination. Recombination is the production of new DNA molecules from two parental DNA molecules or different segments of the same DNA molecule. Four types of naturally occurring recombination have been identified in living organisms. Here in this figure, you can see the four different types of natural recombination. Let us now study each one of them. First one, general or homologous recombination. General or homologous recombination occurs between DNA molecules of very similar sequence such as homologous chromosomes in diploid organisms. General recombination can occur throughout the genome of diploid organisms using one or a small number of common enzymatic pathways. It can be used to direct error-free repair of double-stranded DNA breaks and generate sequence variation in gametes during meiosis. The second one is non-homologous or illegitimate recombination. Non-homologous or illegitimate recombination occurs in regions where no large scale sequence similarity is apparent. For example, translocations between different chromosomes or deletions that remove several genes along a chromosome. However, when the DNA sequence at the breakpoints for these events is analyzed, short regions of sequence similarity are found in some cases. For instance, recombination between two similar genes that are several million base pairs apart can lead to deletion of the intervening genes in somatic cells. The third one is site-specific recombination. Site-specific recombination occurs between particular short sequences which are about 12 to 24 base pairs present on otherwise dissimilar parental molecules. Site-specific recombination requires a special enzymatic machinery, basically one enzyme or enzyme system for each particular site. Good examples are the systems for integration of bacteriophage lambda into a bacterial chromosome and the rearrangement of immunoglobulin gene in vertebrate animals. The fourth one is replicative recombination or transposition. Replicative recombination or transposition is a highly specialized form of recombination in which a segment of DNA moves from one location to another either on the same chromosome or a different chromosome and generates a new copy of a segment of DNA. Transposable elements or transposons are mobile genetic elements that have selective target sites for insertion and binding. In transposition, transposase, a specific enzyme encoded by the transposon, acts on a target DNA sequence at each end of the transposon. The enzyme acts by disconnecting it from the flanking DNA and then inserting it into a new target DNA site. There is no requirement for homology between the ends of the element and the insertion site.